Hello everyone, this is Whitney GNAJxJJOMBWE. I'm super excited. It's been a crazy time, I know, across the world. It's full of mourning, full of celebration for some people, full of awakening for some people. And for me, it's been a lot of awakening time and relaxation a bit from the non-stop working where I forget what time it is. And this time I had a lot of time to rethink, awaken on see what's working, see what's not working, how can I provide better service, how can our company grow, how can our company do this, what can we make better for our people, what can we design that our people actually need. And that's what it's actually been all about, thinking about our clients, thinking about the systems we put in place, those that are not working, what are we doing wrong, what can we do better. That's all that has been going on in the Whitney GNAJxJJOMBWE side. And personally, yeah, I've been just just being happy and fulfilling my Abivate style. What am I doing? Yes, so going into the mask system, I only talk about the masks that we launched 3 days ago. We had a 3-day giveaway, which was on our Facebook page, not on my personal page, on the Facebook page of Whitney GNAJxJJOMBWE. So we carried out a giveaway, 3 days. It had only 3 rules. 1, like our page, go into the post and leave a hashtag masks for all. 2, give us a call and make your order. Then 3, pay your delivery. That's all. You don't pay for the mask. It was a free giveaway, and the only thing you have to pay is for the mask to come to you. Unfortunately, all the orders we got were really very far, so we can't actually deliver because of the lockdown. Cars, buses, everything is on shutdown. So because of the transportation shutdown, we can't deliver the bow ties to Gulu, to Barala, to Ginger. And most of the people who actually reached out to get the masks, and they didn't leave the comment, which was not many followed the rules. But yeah, people gave a call, and the calls we got were all like that, and few actually left a comment and were in my box. And the rules were simple: don't go in my inbox, give a call, and you get the free mask. You don't go in my inbox. And I'm in my inbox, I'm saying in Kampala, I'm in Zana, I'm wearing no. It's a giveaway, it's free of charge, it's a quality, well thought out mask designed for you. You follow the rules, you just have to call. When you call, we get your number, because the delivery guy has to call you when he gets to you. Okay, yeah. So whoever was in the inbox, I'm so sorry, we just could not. We just couldn't actually do it. So this is one of my favorite masks, this one here. Oh my god, this hairpiece, I did this hair myself, but man, this is one of my favorites. And actually this one here too, I'm a fan of prints, anything that is not plain. I think that's why I have this. This is a male shot, it's from one of our GNAJxJJOMBWE collections, pure linen with cotton wax and linen. Love the combination of natural fabrics. Okay, so we had the masks, and the mask had 3 layered. I remember one of our friends, I think Mary, she asked, can you breathe? Is it breathable? Yes, it is 100% breathable. The reason why there's 3 layers is because it has a pocket. This pocket area here, right on the side that goes to the mouth here, is where you put the filter. Exactly. So the filter, if you actually, it's the medical filter, you put it right here, put it back, see, it goes back to normal, and then you put the mask onto your mouth. That's all. So that's all it required. And that was the step. That's why it's 3 layered. You get a filter, you put it there, it's medical, and voila, it's all done. Yeah, so I'm gonna break it down for you a little bit on how the process works, which I've done before, but I'm gonna do it again. But before we go in there, we were trying to look at the need of a mask, and I walk around with my mask, and not many people are actually going for the mask. It's like it's not a want, you know, and I get it, because in this lockdown everyone's looking for food, but you know, you have to be healthy. So if you can prevent yourself from any, even if it's just flu, because some people may not have the corona but they have flu, they have colds, they're touching all these things, you're in the supermarket with them, you're in a line with them, and they are coughing freely, and you don't want to run away like a crazy person, you know, which actually would be good to do, but I think I'll do it. Yeah, so you don't want to do all that. So what you do is you have your mask on and you're good to go. I'm gonna slap this thing. Yes, so with the mask situation, I figured most people did not want it but actually needed it, and I have a history, a very not so good history. A history of making things people need, I don't actually want. Yeah, where are we? We have made so many products that needed but not wanted. So in the process, I actually decided always have a limited edition. It's where the masks were really limited. We didn't make 100 or 1,000. We made a limited edition to give away, because we had made the first 100. We had given them to a care center, and for safe border delivered them to the care center. People received them, and that was the main effort. The main thing we're looking at is seeing that actually people who are on a bed rest, people who are in the hospitals, the nurses can actually access that. And most of the care center we sent to had this one thing where they're saying they don't have supplies. And I said, I may not be able to do more, or even my brand may not be able to do everything in the supply, but we can actually do the little we can. And the little that we could was providing the masks. And 100 is all that we could, because I had to make them myself, and I really had limited time, and yes, and a lot of other things that are happening. Yes, so I'm super excited and happy that actually that happened. And in the process, I got to discover people actually needed the masks but did not want them. Unfortunately, that's it. Okay, so let me go into the mask session, how actually this works. So I have a filter right here. Hold on a bit. Okay, so I have a filter. I'm gonna try to put it in here. It's one of the tiny filters I have. So this is the mask. Should I use this, or I should actually use this one? You can actually see it more on the camera. Yeah, let me use my favorite, one of my other favorite. Someone is knocking. No. Okay, so this is the bow tie. This is the Whitney Jjombwe bow tie. 3-layered with a pure cotton, and then it has the filter, the pocket, sorry. So this is the GNAJxJJOMBWE bow tie. It has the plain fabric, pure cotton, no sweating, and then it also has a pocket. This pocket is for the filter. Yes. So it is very breathable, 100% you can breathe healthily and normally. So this is what happens. You open the pocket right here, insert your filter, which is a medical filter. You insert it right in here. Got to, but I can't do the upscale version of the video. It goes right in there, and voila, back to normal. Once the filter is inserted right in here, you're good to go. Then after that, you put it on. Once it's on, you want to adjust it to the shape of your head. You know, you want to adjust the mask to the shape of your head, whether it's longer, shorter, wider, any way you want, and also where you are and how you want it. You know, do your thing. So my thing is just to balance it to the nose and to the chin. So this is straight, you know. So just do that, and I'm good to go. See that? Yeah, so that's what I'm having, and that's it. We're good to go. And now you have your mask on. You can actually go have your face dolled up, and I'm rocking my GNAJxJJOMBWE shirt, and you're good to go. which is actually the male version. You can tell with my sleeves all falling all the way. Yeah, so that's it, that's all. And so since our masks, we couldn't get them to you in the giveaway, which ended today, that's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.